Okay, bought a 3-tie card, and that's the Brightroom, and it adds space to your kitchen, office, bathroom, and beyond. And locking wheel mesh shelf for airflow, power coated steel frame, and that's the dimensions. If you want to know the dimension of it, that's how it looks like after it's fixed. I'm trying to put it together now, show you how to do it. Give me 3 trays, handles, frames, 4 wheels, and the screw to put together. Alright, I'm going to show you how to do it. Set this up like this way because you can put it together like this. And this has something like this, and hook up to the hose. So you'll match the hose on the side. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Push this down. And you click like this. Okay. So it just become one piece. Okay, this piece. See, the hole is inside. Right there. This one goes. This one goes here. Okay. So it's like this. And then this piece. Go like this. Okay, show you. Okay, so it's pretty simple. So you see like this. You see 1, 2, 3 holes for three trays. Each tray has the hole on the side. So you go like this. Matches the hole and put screw on it. Okay. Show you how to do it. It's kind of difficult to hold this and put this in. So you put hooks here. Like right there. Okay. There's one in. The other one over there. Okay, same as the other side. So do the same for all three of them. And tighten all the bolt. That's how you look like. Last, the wheels. So just screw right into the hole here. Show you how to do it. And then use this over, see over here. And then do over here. Okay, that's how you tighten the wheel. So the same thing for all four. Again. Okay, and that's it. That's the cart. With wheels, move around, easy. Look like after you put together. Okay, this is how you look like when you carry all the stuff. And carry quite a number of stuff. You know how to arrange them in three different shelves. And they have the wheels. You can move it around pretty easy. And on both sides, you have things to lock. The wheel is on and off on this side, same as here, on and off. So to lock the wheel, you have to lock it both sides. So you should lock it, push it. It's like kind of not that easy to push it. It's kind of hard to push it down. Yeah, lock it. This side, lock it. The other side, after locking, yeah, kind of hard to push, but you can still push it. It's not really locking the wheel that much. You can still move it around, but it's not easy. You unlock it, and do it on both sides. So the wheel locking thing is, I don't recommend unless it's on a surface that is not lever. If it's just like this, usually it's good enough without locking it. But overall, it's a good, quite sturdy cart. Easy to move around and carry quite a lot of stuff if you know how to arrange it. Okay, thank you very much.